Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Open the updated Chatbot app and sign in using email, SSO, or phone. Once signed in, verify two-factor authentication if it appears. This protects your account. Make sure the app has mic and notification permissions so voice and alerts work. Next, tap New Chat and select the model and tone that fit your goal: concise, creative, or technical. Explain context briefly so the bot adapts. A one-sentence goal goes a long way. Now focus on how to prompt the bot to get useful output. Begin by stating your goal and any constraints, desired length, style, or specific format such as list or step-by-step. Use the system or context field to set long-term instructions and paste short examples to show the exact tone you want. Once you receive a response, refine iteratively. Request edits, ask the bot to simplify or expand, and highlight which parts to keep or delete. To finish, save or export the best responses. Pin important chats so you can find them later. If you need to share results, export as text or PDF and scrub any private data first. Make sure to label the thread with a clear title for future retrieval. If output is incorrect or inconsistent, ask the bot for sources or step-by-step reasoning, or reset the conversation context and try a shorter, clearer prompt that usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.